Alright guys, welcome back to our universal cut. Sorry guys, I have not done any video for you guys this all this day because I was kind of busy. So today I got a new mic. So I would have done one video for you guys, but customers were that much, understand? So I couldn't do it. So I want to use this one as shorts. This one, I know what I normally do now. This one too is afro. A lot of people have been commenting that I should do this kind of hairstyle, I should do that kind of hairstyle. Yeah, they are not even watching my playlist. After you watch one video, the one that pop on your screen, once you are done watching it, go to the playlist. You see a lot of tutorials. I've done a lot of tutorials. Some people will be asking me different questions, and which I have done the videos already, and people will still be asking me. Go to my playlist, you see it and start watching it, understand? So let's do this one now. Let's do this one. As you can see, I'm combing the hair. That is the first thing you need to do because I'm going to trim the hair. One guy commented that the hair that I did, that I did not smooth it up. I told him that the customer said I should not trim the hair. So you follow your customers rules and regulations. Like this one, I'm going to trim it. That is why I'm combing it. Do you understand? So you have to comb it thoroughly to get the uniform of the hair, understand? So after combing the hair, I have sterilized the clip already. So I've done all those ones. You know what I normally do now? I've done all those ones. So what you need to do is, I've done all those ones. What you need to do now is, to follow the hair, the way the hair grow. Do you understand? Sorry guys, this tripod is disturbing. Oh, do you understand guys? Okay, let's manage it this way. So follow the way the hair grows, understand guys? So this is the hair. Like I told you guys, always do it practical so that when you see it, you know what to do. This hair now, the first guideline from here to here now is going to be total skin. Do you understand? Then the second guideline is going to be low cut. By now you should be familiar with all these things. That is why sometimes I repeat the video I've done before so that you understand it very well, because practice make what? It make perfect, understand? So the more you are practicing, the more perfect you are becoming. Do you understand? Normal, no one is perfect though, but at least the more you are doing it. So I've sterilized the clip already. The next thing you need to do now, since the first guideline is going to be skin, make sure, see, barbing is very simple. That is always advise us that once you have passion for it, you are good to go. And most of you that is even watching it, you are not even putting your head. That doesn't mean that you must use it and do business or whatever. There is a place you go to now. The person that is barbing, the salon may look beautiful, but the person that is barbing the hair, you may not like the person to touch your hair. Like this is going to 5 months now, I've not cut my hair. Why? Because my boy is not around. If I did not cut myself, taper face, side cut, I will let it to cut my hair. But it's not around to Saturday. Not that there is no salon around, but just that I don't like different people touching my head. That's why you need to learn this thing so that you can barb your kids. Understand? You can barb your wife, barb your husband. Do you understand? So barbing is for both, it's for both genders. Let me put it that way. It's for both genders, female and male. Do you understand? So why I'm doing all these things is I just want to instill that easiest part of barbing into you, so that you know that barbing is not hard at all. Whoever that tells you that barbing is hard, that person does not want you to grow or learn. A lot of people have been commenting that where they are learning since 6 months or 5 months, they are not getting anything. Do you understand guys? But let me assure you that you are not getting anything means that you are not putting your effort, your head there. But some bosses, some ogas, most of everybody have the way they teach, right? Me, I have my own way. One guy chatted me up. He was saying that he wants to come and learn, he wants to come and pay and learn physically. I told him that I don't have that chance again because I'm not that stable like that. I don't have that chance. That's why I'm making this video. Even the way I'm detailing it here, I'm even making it easy here than when you will stand here with me. Do you understand? That is why I'm detailing everything from scratch, like as if we are toddlers, teaching them how to move their legs, whatever. Do you understand? So if you find this video, this channel helpful, make sure you subscribe, like, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post, you be the first to see it. Do you know one thing that pains me sometimes? How can someone take his or her time to make video for you people and you watch it finish, even if the video you don't like it, at least appreciate the person's effort by clicking the like button. It will not remove anything from you. Commenting nice, you tried, well done, God bless, it will not remove anything from you. I don't just understand. Do you think it's easy to make video and post for you people? It's not easy, but at least appreciate by liking so that YouTube will know that okay, this person's effort is being appreciated by the viewers, so that they can push our videos to other people like you too, so that they will sit and watch. So guys, without further ado, let's dive into it. So that I will not waste much of your time, because like I told you guys, I just got a new mic, so I'm ready to make any video for you people. All the requests that I've been seeing, people telling me to do this kind of video or that, I'm going to attend to it one after the other. Do you understand? So what you owe me is give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share. You can share to your WhatsApp status, you can share to your Facebook, your anywhere, any platform. Share, let other people learn. That is how you are encouraging me to do more. Do you understand? Then subscribing is by choice. I can't force you to subscribe, but if you know that you want to learn something and you are finding this video, this channel helpful, then what stops you from subscribing and becoming part of this family? Do you understand? And not just to subscribe. Once you subscribe, make sure you click the notification bell on, so that whenever I drop a video, you be the first to see it. Because if you just subscribe and I post a video, you will not know that I posted because you didn't turn the notification bell on. That is the advantage. Understand? So let's dive into it. So like I said, I put the clipper on skin level. You join the blade together, make sure they are well joined together. Once you carry the gel up, make sure the first guideline is going to be skin. See now, look at what I told you the other day, that not that you cannot start hair like this as it is now, but it's going to weaken the blade because this hair is overgrown. Do you understand? So the next thing you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to raise your clipper upward. First remove it before you skin it. Are you getting it? So let's go. Can you see what I'm doing? We are creating the first guideline. Watch it very well so that you understand what I'm saying. This is the first guideline. And meanwhile, anything that you don't understand, please don't hesitate. Please ask questions. Feel free to ask questions. And please, whenever you watch my video, don't ask me to do the video that I've done before. Try going to my playlist. There are a lot of videos that I detail everything practical. Understand that even a layman will understand it. So go to my playlist. Once you get to my playlist, you will see a lot of videos. Watch it. Take your time and watch this thing. You are not paying for it. You're only paying for data that you bought. Do you understand? So instead of you to be using your phone to be watching something that you will not benefit something from, that will be inside you, why can't you use it and learn something? Do you understand? So after you have raised your clipper up and remove the hair, then you turn your clipper downward and you skin it. Take your time, oh, don't rush it. You understand? Barbing is all about slow and steady, patience and calculation. That understand? Barbing is very, very sweet. One guy commented that he loves the way I teach you, so that the way I used to detail everything, I made barbing so simple and easy for him. That is how it's supposed to be. Nothing is hard. It's just that the person that is teaching you is making it to be hard. Do you understand? So after this one now, the next thing you need to do is to create the second guideline, which is going to be what? Which is going to be low-cut blade. You bring the gel down, open the blade, you bring it down, you create the second guideline. Watch what I'm doing. You create the second guideline. Take your time. Like I told us that we should exercise patience. It's gradual process, understand? Like now I've gotten microphone now for you people so that you'll be hearing me clearly. Do you understand? Not that it's the original mic, but I just close my eye and buy it for, so that, because a lot of people have been requesting for tutorial. So I told them to calm down, that I was working on something which I've gotten the thing, which is the microphone. Do you understand, guys? So gradual process. Now God is going to give us money. We are going to buy a rotatory chair, so that anything that I'm going to do here, instead of me to be going to the other side, I will just rotate the chair. Do you understand, guys? So God is going to do it. Don't worry. We are going to go higher. Understand? And I want all my students that are watching, I want all of them to be good at this work. I want them to be good at this work. Now I've created the second guideline. The third guideline now. The third guideline now is going to be what? It's going to be the one that will make you to blend the hair. Now, you know, African hair is different. Either you carry it like this, to create a blending shape. This hair is very, very strong and it's growing. So you have to take your time, understand how hair is. Understand, a lot of hair is very, very soft. There's one thing I'm supposed to do. That hair, I didn't know I did the tutorial. You would have loved it so much, because that hair is what people have been requesting about ladies haircut. Do you understand? So as you are seeing it now, I've created the blending shape now. I've created the blending shape. Look at it now. So what are you going to do next? What you are going to do next is make sure that your customer is not disturbing. If your customer is disturbing you, tell him to stay very well, so that he will not disturb your blending. Do you understand? So now I've created the blending shape now. The next thing you need to do, remember that is on what? Step 1, right? It's on step 1. So the next thing you need to do, still put it on step 1, because you are going to fade up the second guideline that you created. There is line there, which is this line, right? You are seeing it. You are going to fade it off. So still put it on step 1 and let it to be on what? Local blade, by bringing the gel down. Do you understand? Then you now flip it up like this. Are you getting it, guys? If you know you are learning something from this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video, invite others, comment anything, so that YouTube will know that we are really trying. We are doing something very, 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 very good. Do you understand? I'm not forcing you to subscribe. I will not force you. It's your choice. But if you really want to learn something, to be barbing your kids, because you can travel to Abuja now, travel to Enugu now. You may not like the person that is barbing the hair, but the salon may look very, very, very attractive, neat, everything. But it's not everybody that is allowed to touch your hair. Like I stated before, that this is going to 5 months now. I've not cut my hair, because I don't like different people touching my hair, as my boy is not around. Understand? So that is how it is. It's very weird that you go to barb your hair. That's why you need to learn this thing. Take your time and learn this thing. Now see what I did here, right? After flipping it up finish, I still blend it down. You see what I did? I still blend it down. Then after you have done this finish, the next thing you need to do is to remove your step 1. Hope you are getting this. After you remove your step 1, put it on low cut blade. You know how to set it, to bring the gel down. Let the blade to be open. Then this is the time you are going to take it slow and steady. You brush it down. Like I told you guys, that this hair is very, very strong, and the hair entangle very well. So it's drawing as well too. So what you are going to do, you take your time, bring it down, or you can still blend it like this. Make sure it's the tip of the second guardian that you created that you are blending down. Don't go up, so that it will not chop. because if you go up and you chop, you still have to create another blending space before you know it will now turn to small children's pond. Do you understand? Alright, give me a clap for me, clap for me, clap for me. So guys, this is this is it. Hope you understand something from this video. If you do, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. If you do, give us a thumbs up. If you do, share this video. If you do, comment. Just appreciate us. Try something. It will not remove anything. It will not weaken your hand. So guys, this is it. Make sure you take your time to clean up all the lines. Do you understand, guys? So like I told us that you people should be praying for me. Let me get a rotatory chair, because what I did there is what I'm going to do that side. But I don't want this video to be too long, so that is why I'm going to stop it here. But once you get this basis, this thing that I did, there is no hair that you will not buy. Sorry, that will not barb rather. Understand? So I'm going to make a video. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to do before you start barbing somebody. That nothing like fear. Someone commented that he's always afraid to when customer comes. That spirit of fear, you need to remove it. I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to make video on that. Okay, so after you have done this finish, the next thing, you stay on lookout to the next thing. You trim it like this. 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 Then you know how to trim here. Now put it on low cut. You trim it. You trim it. You trim it. You trim it. Slow and steady. Don't forget, if you are really learning something from this video, subscribe and be part of us so that we learn together. See, okay guys, so let me ask you something. If you know that anything that I'm doing here that I'm not getting it right, please tell me. Me too, I'm ready to learn. Oh, I'm a learner. Forget that I'm the one teaching you. Me, I'm still learning. Oh, don't you know that the teacher is a learner? The more you are teaching, the more you are learning. So I'm learning. Oh, anything that I'm not doing right, that you know that, oh, this is how I'm supposed to do it, please let me know. Let me know so that I will learn from you too. You can't just be learning from me. Let me learn from you too. Do you understand? So do you see how it is? Everything that I'm doing here is what I'm going to do on the other side. So I don't want this video to be too long. So guys, this is it. This is what afro skin fade. This is afro skin fade. Remember, the first guideline is skin. So after you have done, you take your time to smooth everywhere to make sure that everything is very okay and nice. Do you understand? Thank you guys. I love you all. So this is it. Can you see how neat it is? Barbering is simple. Just take your time, have the passion, focus, be calculative. That is all. You are good to go. So I don't want this video to be over long. So this is it. Anything I did to this side is what I'm going to do on the other side. So guys, don't worry, I'm fully back now because I've gotten the mic now. I'm fully back. So we'll do everything. God is helping us. We are going to learn something. I want, before this day, I want like 100 people to be professional, and it's going to happen. Thank you guys. You see how neat it is. Hope you can see it. So thank you guys. Subscribe, like, share, invite others. Understand? When you subscribe, put your notification bell on so that whenever I upload a video, you see it. Understand? Thank you all. This is our universal court. I love you all.